This just speaks the whole process. So.
Okay, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Demario Alonso Cooper, file number 25-22108KX. I have James Daly appearing on behalf of Mr. Cooper. Mr. Daly, we were here previously with Mr. Cooper, and he had asked for court appointed counsel. This is an extradition hearing. Have you had enough time to speak with Mr. Cooper?
I have here, but I'd like to put this on the record what I indicated to Mr. Cooper. Mr. Cooper is going to have a trial here in Illinois County. He has a meritorious defense and has claimed that he wasn't involved with anything here in Illinois County.
Mr. Daly. No problem. None of the same there. Okay.
You know, he's interested in resolving this up here, either through a trial or through a resolution as quickly as he can. There's been a resolution prepared for him, or is being prepared. I'll talk to him about that. As it relates to Ohio, he's got the same problems going on in Ohio, same defenses, same concerns. His concern was making sure that that goes as quick in Ohio as it can. I've explained to him there's nothing about contesting an extradition hearing that was going to speed the process up for him at all.
Okay, so let me ask this. So he has some cases here, and there's been an offer made that he may be accepting on another file than mine, obviously a new charge.
On these charges here, but there's other.
So I have him just on an extradition today. Does he have other charges in Lenawee County?
No.
Okay.
But he's got charges in 3 other states.
Okay, so if he waives the extradition, he will head to Ohio within days.
Yes.
Is that what he wants to do?
Yes.
Is that what you'd like to do?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go through your extradition rights again with you because I'm required to, and I know I already went through them once, but I'm gonna do it again. So, Mr. Cooper, we're here on a proceeding on whether you wish to waive your right of extradition. Extradition is a proceeding to return you to another state in which a warrant has been issued for your arrest for the commission of a felony. It is in effect a demand by another state for your surrender and to return to that state to face the crime with which you are charged. You are charged by warrant by the state of Ohio and the Perkins Township Police Department, Columbus Avenue, Sandusky, Ohio, with several different charges potentially that are felonies in the state of Ohio. It looks like fraudulent purchases and uttering and publishing, which is a felony in the state of Michigan, but also appears to be a felony in the state of Ohio. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Now, we cannot in this court or this state determine the truth or falsity of the charges made against you in the state of Ohio. So we only determine, is it a valid felony in the state of Ohio? Yes. Are you Demario Alonso Cooper? Yes. And that's all we need to show in the state of Michigan. Do you understand that?
Yes.
So if you go to Ohio, then you can have your trial and present your defense to the charges against you, but we don't determine whether you're guilty or innocent here. Do you understand that?
Yes. Like I was trying to explain to him.
Can you speak up a little bit for me?
I know they gave me a bond already, so I was considering paying the bond.
In Ohio?
Yeah. Now, would that delay that, or how would that work?
So usually Ohio, because they're Sandusky is so close, they'll come get you right away. And if your bond's paid, you'll get out when you get there. But if you have other states have holders on you, then you could be bopping around.
Okay,
all right? And Mr. Daly said you have a couple other states that have pending charges against you.
yeah, I know I have a probation violation, that's the only.
Right, so they could put holders on you and then, you know, you could, if you post bond, you'll probably go to the next place, so. All
I'll
right,
still be getting taken care of, that's the whole goal.
maybe, but you know, that's not part of what I'm doing today.
Okay,
Okay, so you do not have to waive your right to extradition. You can require that the governor of the state of Ohio make demand upon the governor of Michigan for a warrant for extradition. You have a right to demand and procure legal counsel. If you can't afford an attorney, the court will appoint you one at county expense, which it appears we may have done. I don't know if he's retained or appointed. If you or your attorney wish to test the legality of your arrest, you may apply within a reasonable time for a writ of habeas corpus. That is a writ by which your custodian is required to bring you before the court for the purpose of having a hearing to determine the legality of arrest. Do you understand the rights that I've just told you?
you said the hearing will be to determine the arrest?
Okay, so, okay, so what I said is basically, if you or your attorney wish to contest the legality of your arrest, right? So like you're saying, no, it's not a valid writ or extradition writ, then we could have a hearing. But again, then we just determine, are you Demaro Alonso Cooper, and is the charge against you an Ohio felony? And if it is, that's all we can determine here. We don't determine whether or not you actually committed that crime in Ohio, whether you're guilty or you're innocent, just that this is who you are.
Okay,
And these are valid charges in the state of Ohio.
okay,
Do you understand?
yes,
Okay. Do you want to waive your right to extradition to a writ of habeas corpus and and go voluntarily to the state of Ohio to face the charges made against you?
yes.
All right. Do you have people?
I know.
Miss Adams, oh, here it is. All right, so I'm going to have my bailiff hand down to you your waiver of extradition. There's 4 copies, right? And midway, he'll show you. Today's date is January 24th of 25. You're gonna need to date it and then sign each one for me, okay?
Okay, yes.
All right, so. Can you raise your right hand for me, please, Mr. Cooper? Raise your right hand. Do you swear that the signing of these papers is your free act and deed for the purpose of waiving extradition?
Yes.
All right, I wish you the best of luck. Where are you on, where do you have a violation, probation or parole violation at?
Probation violation, that's right.
Okay, all right, well, I wish you the best of luck. Thank you. Thank you.
See you later. All right.
We're just gonna take a quick recess.
Our deal was, they want $80,000 bad. The $20,000 just to kill a man, go to town, do whatever. Yeah.
How long did it? I just think it might be
Everything that we worked out best we can. Thanks.
Thank
Morning, how are you?
Good.
Warm warming those fingers up this morning, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. To make sure you warm your fingers.
That's right, that's right. Talk a lot, Jim.
Yeah.
How are you?
I just love for those cheese balls.
Oh, do you like them? I hear
Me
you
and the
like.
dogs,
What's that?
me and the dogs.
Oh, do you both? Oh, you're crazy. I saw those, I thought, oh, I know who wants those. Good, you're welcome.
Dogs love
Good.
it. They got
Oh,
good taste.
that's good. See, Major doesn't get any of those. Oh,
Ours aren't supposed to, but we do it when Annie's not looking.
yeah, you're so bad.
Let's chill out now because we're live.
Yeah.
What is that?
We're live on TV, so.
Oh, that's right. That's right. We're live. Thank you, Doctor. Right, I was trying to get some.
Um, Yeah, I do that.
Okay,
Guys, you know.
Okay.
I'll handle it.
Okay.
Owens and then stuff.
okay. Oh, is this so? Okay, thank you.
Please rise, clerk court's now in session. Take a seat.
All right, Mr. Daly, you have Mr. Hendrickson. Are we ready on Mr. Hendrickson?
You can.
Okay. Live feed.